that?
Right now.
Was it?
No.
Oh, I mean, I can start it up so you can vroom vroom it.
You want to room?
I want to do it too.
Please. Hold on.
Please.
Hold on.
You have to wait a little.
All right. All you gotta do is grab that and
Little bit.
there you go.
There you go. They know my bikes too. That's why they love it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fun. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I just sold Kawasaki TCR.
Oh yeah.
The 07.
Oh
Hey.
yeah. No problem. Oh yeah. Go for it, dude.
Yes, please.
It doesn't seem like
Stand next to it.
it's really hard in getting it out.
Don't touch it, but just stand next to it. There you go. Thank you.
You have a good night.
You too, bro. Thank you.
Daddy, can I take mine?